Okay, this is the review of the 1Byone driveway alert alarm kit. What you get is instructions, warranty card, transmitter, remote, receiver. You also need 3 C-type batteries and 3 AAA batteries. You can also power the receiver by using a DC 6-volt power connection, but don't use at the same time as the batteries. You must take the batteries out. And on the side you have alarm, low and chime on the side. Now basically, when you want to set this up, it all has to be done within 30 seconds. So the best thing to do is get prepared. You take your transmitter, insert your 3 batteries. 3 batteries in there now. The back on, there is screws there to fasten this up, and face that away from you. On the remote there's a little plastic tab that must be pulled out the back. To take that out, and on your receiver see, once you put this battery in, you've got 30 seconds. So you put this battery in, it's flashing, so put your hand in front of the transmitter. Now with your remote, press unlock. Now wait until the flashing stops. And press lock. Okay, now put the back on there. And the alarm sounds. That was on the low setting. Put it on the loud setting. This is the chime. Okay, if you know that there's going to be a car coming in the drive, you don't need the alarm on. You can just press the unlock button on the remote. That'll turn it off. Going to bed at night and you want it back on, just press the lock button. It's very easy to install. Very good bit of kit. I'd recommend it to anybody who's got a driveway or a shed that they want alarmed or anything like that. Thank you.